What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video. This one's gonna be a little bit different than everything that we've done before. I'm actually here with my son. Yep, that's my son, Swag. That's his nickname, by the way, not his real name, so before you guys get all sideways. Anyhow, we are here, we're in the Viper, and the reason we are here is because I'm gonna teach him how to drive stick shift for the first time. He knows how to drive, he's got a cool little Nissan Kicks, but he's never driven stick shift. And as you guys know, the Viper's got roughly 800 horsepower, somewhere around there. A dyno is about 700, 720, depending on the dyno or what day you dyno on or temperatures and so on. But it makes about 720 to the wheels, 720 to the wheels. You ready for that?
Yeah.
So we're gonna test it out. We're gonna take it easy, and hopefully he can pick it up today, and we'll go from there. I'm trying to get just the basics, getting the car started, getting going, and you know, just get him comfortable with shifting and everything else. So let's get to it. I'm gonna switch out, I'm gonna walk out and let him hop in here. So here we go. My son learns to drive at an 800 horsepower Viper. Let's go. So here he is getting in for the first time. Don't start anything yet. Just kind of look at the pedals, right? And what I've been telling him is it's no different than, let me close the door so that the chime goes away too. So kind of get a feel for the pedals, right? So go ahead and push in the clutch, which is on the left-hand side. And now move the shifter to neutral, right? So you're in first gear right now. So neutral be in the middle. Put your foot on the brake too so that the car doesn't roll. And just kind of get comfortable. Touch the gas, touch the brake, so that you know how much space you have in between the two. You might have to move your seat up a little bit. So if you want to roll your seat up, I'm going to go hop in on the other side. Yeah, so go ahead and shift into first. Yep, you're in it right now. Now go to second with the clutch in. Go to third. Now for third, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the middle and naturally see how the stick shift automatically moves to the middle? That's third right there. Now go to first from there. So you're gonna go to neutral, go all the way to the left, and push in for first. So I kind of feel like you're getting a feel for it. So now practice letting off the clutch slowly, because there's some tension on there, right? The clutch in this thing, as you guys know, for most of you that are familiar with Vipers, from factory it comes with a twin disc clutch. It was actually one of the very first, I think, vehicles to come with a twin disc clutch, so it is a little tough. It's not super hard by any means. I've definitely felt much harder clutches, but this is an upgraded one too, and so it's gonna be a little bit tougher. So recording, why? All right, I don't know how much I got. I think I was too focused trying to help him out, but he actually took off. We'll get another recording and try it again. But he's in second gear. We're just cruising in a big parking lot. How do you feel? I think I might be out of space on the phone, and I think that's why I keep cutting out. So slow down a little bit. Remember, clutch in when you're braking, otherwise it's gonna stall. Okay. Make sure there's no car coming. And then out of the clutch, and give it a little bit of gas. There you go. Now try shifting to third. You're just gonna go to neutral, let the shifter automatically slide to the middle, and now push up. There you go. Now you're in third gear. All right, now go back to second. So clutch in. You don't have to shake it. Just go all the way to the left. You only do that when you're trying to check that you're in neutral. So you're in second. So once again, slow down, and we're gonna turn. Just make sure there's no car coming. Man, this is so cool. This is so exciting as a father, for me to be teaching my 17-year-old son and my beloved Viper here that of course belongs to the family, but it's just awesome. It's an awesome moment for me. Hopefully an awesome I can't even speak, awesome moment for you, your first time driving stick shift. So we'll go, when you go turn around up here again, kind of where we started, let's go ahead and do a starting from first gear again, so we can capture that. And just let out the clutch all the way whenever. So now turn around here. Remember, if you're braking, put the clutch in so the car don't try to stall. And what you guys are hearing are the brakes. I should have fixed the brake. Clutch in, or it's gonna stall. There you go. And so now put it in neutral. Make sure you're in neutral. All right, let go of the clutch. There you go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start once again. So make sure your wheel's kind of straight so that you don't go sideways and do a drift. We don't want to drift. Not yet anyways. We'll get that later. All right, so go ahead and put it in first, clutch in. First gear, we're gonna start again. Now remember, just let the clutch out. Don't worry too much about the gas. It's got enough torque to get going by itself. And you just slowly let out and maybe give it just a hair of gas. That's all right. We got our first stall. That's the one part I didn't capture the first time, but that's all right. So put it in neutral, clutch in. There you go. So clutch in. Shift to first. And slowly let out and give it just a hair of gas. Give it a little bit of gas. That's all right. That's all right. Neutral. There you go. Don't hold the start too long. This is an old car. So once you hear it start, you can let go. All right. So now go ahead and let's try again. Maybe just a little bit of gas, not a bunch. All right. You got this. Clutch slowly. Nope, that's too much gas. Too much gas. Let's try again. So slowly, take your foot off the brake. You're on the brake. Remember, you can't be on the brake. Gas, 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 gas. Almost. Clutch in. Take it out of gear. Take it out of gear. Relax. Take your deep breath. You're good. All right, it's already on. All right.
Clutch in.
Clutch in. First. Take your, there you go. Give it a little bit of gas. Not too much though. All right. Go, 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 go. Clutch, clutch, clutch. You're fine, you're fine. What do you think is happening?
I'm slowly going out.
Yeah. So when you're coming up, hold the gas, right? Just a little bit. Do me a favor, press the gas in just a little bit right now. See, that's too much. You just need to give it a little bit. A little bit more. Like right about there. See the RPMs, watch your RPMs, right? You want to be, you know, that's about 1,000, about 1,200 RPM, somewhere around there. I'm filming on the phone, so I think I was looking in the wrong direction, so I'm gonna look like I'm cross-eyed for the audience. Here's the camera, I see you now. I was looking over here, I don't know why I saw the dot over here, but all right, so let's go to first, clutch in. Foot off the brake. All right, give it some gas and slowly start to come up on the clutch. Maybe you guys can comment down below and tell me what I'm doing wrong, because it's been so long since I've, all right, go ahead. Slowly coming up, gas, 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 gas. See, you dumped the clutch too fast, so do it slower. Take a deep breath. Maybe I need to, so clutch, first gear, foot off the brake. And remember, just don't dump the clutch. Come up as slow as, even if the car starts moving, continue to come up slow on the clutch. And at the same time, you give it a little bit of gas. Come on, you did it the first time. Just keep going slow, a little bit of gas now. Keep going slow. Yeah, see, you come up too fast. All right, here we go. We're gonna try. Once again, we took a little break. Let them practice a little bit more with the clutch. All right, so go into first. Foot off the brake, and you don't have to give it a ton of gas, just a hair. Now start to release the clutch, bring the revs up just a little bit of gas. Keep going, slowly, slowly, slowly. There you go. All right, we got it. We'll take that one. We'll take that one.
I think we got it.
We'll consider that one a success. Now go into second, clutch in. Keep the lever pressed to the right, not so hard. You don't have to do it. Remember, it's all about fitness. It's all about the footwork. Give it a little more gas if you want. And you guys are probably hearing, if you hear the brakes, it's actually just the start to turn over here, maybe slowly, not super fast. Remember, if you brake, push the clutch in just a little bit. Oh, too much. All right, we're gonna try something different. The Viper's got enough torque to move the car. Most cars do anyways, most V8s. can move the car without. So I've been telling Swag here that we can get the car going without any gas, and I actually didn't capture that on video, but I did demonstrate how that works. So just clutch, don't worry about gas, let go of the brake, of course, put it in first, clutch in, first gear, and now just work on slowly. Even if the car starts moving, don't let out all the way, let it get some good speed, about 10-15 miles per hour. So foot off the brake, don't worry about gas. You'll feel it grab. Keep it in, keep it in, keep it in. There you go. Now you can get a little gas. See? Now go to second, clutch in. Hold the gear to the left. Remember, keep it pressed. You're not in gear yet. Push the clutch in. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, easy. Remember, it's all about how easy you shift the clutch. You're letting out way too soon. And I know it's easy for me to say I've been driving a Stixer for, I don't even want to say on camera, but it's probably 25 years, probably, somewhere on there. Anyhow, so go a little wide here so we can make the turn. But you're getting it. We'll just practice a little bit more, and we'll be back and see how it goes. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the video out here. Great job today, Swag, on your first lesson, because it's getting dark, so I know the quality of the video won't be all that great. I don't even know how great it is because we were recording. I was trying to make sure that he was shifting and doing the right thing, so I don't know how much we got. But what do you think? What are your first thoughts? Can you even think right now?
No.
So there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoy that. Thanks for watching. Just a father out here loving spending time with my son. And teaching them how to drive in our Viper. So anyhow, comment, leave a like, and let us know how we did. If you don't follow the channel, please do. We'd love to have you as a follower, and we'll keep bringing some cool content that hopefully you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.